Number 1. Apple Early 2020 MacBook Air with 1.1 GHz Intel Core i3 13-inch 8GB RAM 256GB SSD storage space gray. Stunning 13.3-inch Retina display with True Tone technology, backlit Magic Keyboard and Touch ID. 10th generation Intel Core i3 processor. Intel Iris Plus graphics. Fast SSD storage. Number 2. Apple Early 2020 MacBook Air with 1.1 GHz Core i5, 13-inch, 8GB RAM, 512GB SSD, gold. Stunning 13.3-inch Retina display with True Tone technology, backlit Magic Keyboard and Touch ID, 10th generation Intel Core i5 processor, Intel Iris Plus graphics, fast SSD storage. Number 3. HP Flagship Everyday Laptop Computer. I work smarter with AI-powered Microsoft 365 with built-in Copilot in Microsoft 365. I breeze through tasks, summarizing, writing, and organizing in seconds. Number 4. Apple 2020 MacBook Air with 1.1 GHz Intel Core i5. This pre-owned product is not Apple certified, but has been professionally inspected, tested and cleaned by Amazon qualified suppliers. There will be no visible cosmetic imperfections when held at an arm's length. There will be no visible cosmetic imperfections when held at an arm's length. This product will have a battery which exceeds 80% capacity relative to new. Number 5. Dell Inspiron 15 touchscreen laptop, 15.6-inch FHD display Intel 10 Core i5-1334U. Processor, stay productive with the powerful 13th Gen Intel Core i5-1334U processor, featuring 10 cores and speeds up to 4.6 GHz. Whether you're multitasking, editing documents, or running demanding software, this Dell Inspiron 15 delivers responsive, high-speed performance ideal for professionals on the go. Hello friends, welcome to this video. We have reviewed high-quality products in our channel's video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to our channel.